Let's see if we can see the Proud Bird at night. That's a restaurant that Rudy and I usually head out to after the Sunday show. Didn't go this past Sunday because Rudy was feeling sick. There is the Proud Bird at night. It's great to sit out there. Can you see those fire pits? So I'm giving them free promotion. But anyway, you see those fire pits out on the patio deck? What a beautiful place to sit, watch the planes fly right by, sit next to those fire pits, enjoy the great food. All right, Proud Bird, now you owe me. Closed on Mondays, by the way. Not open on Mondays.
Alright, let's turn 210 and 24 left, please take that southwest.